He talks about how he was told by the prophet Joseph Smith that the earth today is approximately 1/4 of its original size. I see a lot of people, what? What are you talking about? Okay, think about this. How many times in the scriptures have you read the 4/4 of the earth? But sometimes it says the 4 corners of the earth. Is there a difference, or are they kind of conflating the two things? Actually, the 4 corners of the earth is a graphic representation of the earth as represented by a square or a rectangle. So in Jewish symbolism, a square or a rectangle is a representation of the earth. Okay. Now we're going to get into that when we get up to Ohio, when we talk about the square, the octagon, and the rectangles, because they each represent different things. Okay. But in the scriptures, there's about 7 or 8 different references that talks about the 4/4 of the earth. And according to Orson Pratt, he talked that he learned from Joseph Smith that the 4/4 of the earth are the earth as it is today, the city of Enoch, which was removed from the earth, and the people and the very foundations of the city upon which it stood were removed from this earth, and they're somewhere else. Okay. What about the 10 tribes? They also were removed from the earth. What about Melchizedek? According to the Joseph Smith translation of the Bible, okay, when he was working on that before he was killed, he didn't get to finish it up, but he did the first part of the Bible, right? And basically, and he talked about how Melchizedek sought for the same blessings as Enoch, and that he was granted the blessing. And the city of Salem, just like Enoch, was also removed from the earth.